Almost got taken out by a football. Oh, well, that would have been absolute comedy gold. I mean, not for Will, obviously. So far this morning we have travelled an hour and a half just to come on Mr. TeaPotOne's clan ride, and it is just around his corner. So let's see what happens today, see what shenanigans we get up to. This is the first clan ride I've been on, so yeah, it would be nice to meet Mr. Bruce in person and not just on social media. Now I'm looking for what I reckon is the aging demographic, bold, and like me, have a bit of weight about them. I haven't got a clue where everyone is. This will be it. Not bad, not bad. So this is it, the first clan ride of 2025, and there is a lot of people here. Nice to see. I do miss my Aprilia. If you can't see, there's an Aprilia over there, that's all. Just fantasising about my old bike. And there's the main man himself. And that right there is Mark from Leeds. So there must be easily kind of 40-50 riders here today. Like I said, it's actually really nice to see how the community, the biking community, come together. And yeah, this is my first one. And we are doing the old drop-off system, marking system. So let's hope when it's my turn to mark, I don't mess up. Good thing with the marker system is you don't need to be up there with the group. Like, if there's a gap between you and it's not safe for you to overtake, like, continue and keep up with the pack. Doesn't matter. You keep on that road that you're on until you get to the marker. There you go, no marker on that junction. And then we got a marker here. It's simple enough. When the last man gets to him, last man and the first man are always the same. Last man will get to him, and then he'll just carry on in front of the rear marker. It's a really simple yet effective system to get large groups around, because I haven't got the route today. I don't know where I'm going other than following the people and the markers. Plan for today's clan ride is going to be 2 routes. First one being a kind of southern route, 100 miles, do a loop, go back to the hotel, have some lunch, and then set off after lunch, do kind of a northern route again, 100 miles, and then finish back at the hotel again. I've not stayed at the hotel, obviously I rode down this morning, and then I'm gonna bug out once we finish the this afternoon's ride. That's cool. A massive motorcycle made out of scaffolding. This is it, I'm next. My time to shine, don't mess it up. We got a junction. Probably straight over, me reckon. So all I do now is wait for the man in the pink vest. Here he is, big biker vest. And that is how you execute a perfection of a marker drop. And that's it, so I'm now at the back again. And it will just keep rotating around like that. But yeah, now you know, marker system. Nice and easy. That's it.
The battery.
Get them on charge.
Yeah.
First pit stop of the day. Gonna do another little loop, head back up to the hotel, so to go for lunch. Question is, how many GS wankers can you spot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's just from what I can see while sat here. Tell you what, the GS 1300 in that Katana green and gold looks bloody delightful. Oh, 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 oh. Nice to see Bruce is having dramas with the Insta. He just needs to stick to DJI. Yeah? What's that? It's this. Yeah. A lot of weight. You can, it's this.
Awesome.
Just traction control off and just give it some beans.
Yeah, I know. I'm on the bottle. He does it all the time.
It's like, oh, oh. So like that, that's now recording. And so that's the kind of most you'll see.
Oh, so that just stays on the whole time?
So you can change whether that or goes one less, so it doesn't have the white, or goes to the LED.
Yeah.
But you can choose what.
Oh, that's better. That's a better button than the old one.
Yeah. And then you can change it as well. So that's on at 3 seconds, you can do it 1 minute.
Oh, for how long it stays on?
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
So.
I might have another kit in there.
Oh, well, I messed up. I forgot to format both SD cards yesterday. So this one's full. So we have just got the head cam, helmet cam. We've had our lunch, it's now 2:30. We're going to head out for the second loop of the day. Well guys, we are going to have the last little leg back for the day. So thank you very much for Bruce, aka TeaPotOne. Because obviously without him, this clan meet wouldn't have happened. It's been a great day, and if you do want to join his Patreon, then you can actually come out on one of these clan meets as well. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Nothing to say, but thank you very much. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.